Here's how to use Presenter Overlay in macOS Sonoma. In a nutshell, Presenter Overlay in macOS Sonoma allows you to place a small movable bubble of your face or large prominent view of yourself when you share a screen on a FaceTime call. So let's get started with the demo. What you'll need: an Apple Silicon Mac, macOS Sonoma or later, and of course a webcam. Now I'll just make a FaceTime call to my Nakineko.
macStudioA, FaceTime video.
With FaceTime active, click the video icon in the menu bar. Then click the screen sharing icon here to display Presenter Overlay menu. From here, you have 3 screen sharing options available: to screen share a window, an app, or the entire screen. I'll start off with sharing a window. Click the window button, then choose the window that you want to share that has an overlay button over it. As I only have one window open, I'll click on share this window button. Whenever a window, app, or entire screen is shared, the video icon in menu bar changes to a shared screen icon, and also a shared screen icon is shown in the top right hand corner of the window or app being shared. Moving on, choose the Presenter Overlay style. I'll click on the small icon where a small movable bubble of my face is shown over the Finder window. I'll then click on the large icon to display a prominent view of myself in front of the Finder window, where you're able to walk, talk, and move around as you wish. Click on the position icon shown here to move the Finder window from top left to top right, or click the button here to add another window. At any time, simply click on the overlay button here to change shared window, or add an app or screen to share instead. I'll just repeat in time-lapse the same procedure shown when sharing a window for sharing 2 apps and then the entire screen, before showing how to use reaction gestures with Presenter Overlay. It should be noted, anytime you want to make changes to a shared screen, simply click the shared screen icon in the menu bar if it's not already visible. Now, just as reaction gestures work on a normal FaceTime call, it also works the same way when using Presenter Overlay as shown. To turn off Presenter Overlay, click the screen share icon from the menu bar, then click on the off icon here. And to stop sharing a screen, click on the stop sharing button here. You can still continue with your FaceTime call as normal, or click the X button here to end your FaceTime call. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next video. Peace.